Hey everybody, welcome to one of those girls. Come on, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. If you guys want to see a sneaker haul, please stay tuned. All right, y'all. So don't come for me, okay? Because I purchased some more sneakers, okay? But yeah, I'm gonna purchase some more soon. But I gotta put them all in little spurts. You know what I mean? So here we are. I did get these. Yeah, I got these are Adidas, and I did purchase these probably about a week ago, I believe. I'm not too sure. So you guys know it's icky because of the box, but you know I sprayed it with Lysol, whatever. Yeah, I got Lysol, y'all. Lord Jesus, from Dollar General. I was like, what? But you gotta be on point over there. So, but at any rate, here are the Adidas, my Adidas. All right, so the unboxing, and boom, oh. Fresh out the box. Stop, look, and watch. Ready yet? Get set. Boom! Alright, so we're going to go up close. And of course, I'm going to show y'all how it looks on my feet. But we're just going to go up close first, okay? This is soft here, okay? And I did get a size 6.5, okay? 6.5 because, you know, I want to make sure. And here we go there. This is the back of it. This is the inside. The inside says Bounce. These are what these are. Okay, the Bounce. These are the running course Bounce sneakers, okay? And this is what they look like. This flip up is too flipped up, but I guess it'll go down. But this is what it's looking like here. Underneath. Here got some reflectors. I guess this is the Edge Luxe Bounce, as you guys can see there. All right. Oh, smells like a sneaker. So I got a size 6.5. I like the smell of new sneakers. I don't know why I didn't do this on my last. Fake sneaker unboxing, y'all. Oh god. Okay. Yeah, I play too much. But anyway, so yeah, so of course we got the other one. So this is the other one here. Okay, there we are. So these some light sneakers that I will use. I've been purchasing some nice light sneakers because of me jumping, and I want to make sure that I have enough support. You know, enough support on. I want to make sure I have enough support on my feet. And that's just basically about that. Let me look. Hold on, because I want to give you all the specifics. Let me see. Hold on. All right, y'all. So I had to go online. So they had sent me an email on the 12th. And it came like around the 17th, I believe. And I don't know if I made an Adidas account. I probably think I did, but it says it's the Edge Luxe shoes. It used to be $85, and it's $63. It was $63.75, and I got a 6.5, and it's the gray 3 cloud white silver metallic. And let me click on this and see if it'll go to the website. So I give y'all the specifics. Edge Luxe 3 shoes. Let's see. Hold on. All right, so it's the Edge Luxe 3 shoes. If you join the club, you get rewarded with a 15% discount. During the time, the website had a 20% off, I believe. So right now they're $85. I don't think they still having a sale. I'm not sure, but you could check the website. And yeah, so they do have other colors. They have 7 colors available. And these go by quickly, so you definitely have to hurry up and get these. My size, there's only a few sizes, not my size, my color, the color that I purchased, is only a few sizes left, it says. This is a lightweight and stretchy running shoes designed for a woman's foot. These neutral running shoes have a women's specific design with a rounder heel that cradles the foot. The upper is made of lightweight stretch mesh for a barely there feel. Designed for indoor and outdoor running, the shoes feature springy cushioning to keep you comfortable over the miles. Regular fit, women's specific fit, lace closure with wide laces, stretch mesh upper, rubber outsole, flexible balance midsole, cushioning, lightweight feel, weight 7.4 ounces, midsole drop 15 mm, arch type normal, imported, product color gray, 3 color white, silver metallic, and things of that sort. So yeah, so it says that let's see, for me, I would say I would recommend, since it's one of those type of mesh type deals, I would say get a half size or a size up, but I got a half size up because I do wear a size 6. So do it up to your discretion. I did that because I really haven't worn sneakers in a while, so I was like, let me just do a half size. And I did a half size for my other shoes for the other company. I'm not going to mention their company name, but yeah, so those are the specifications, the details, how to style if you want to style it with any Adidas or whatever the case is, and that's just basically about that. So I will put the link down below. Right now it's saying $85, but if you sign up you will get a $15 or something, it said. But anyway, try to get some deals the way you can, and there's free shipping for a certain amount of whatever's. So I paid $63. I don't know if I paid shipping, I forgot, I don't know. But as far as how they feel and stuff like that, I'm not sure. So I will probably annotate that in the video when I show the clips so you guys can see how they feel. I'm sure they feel very nice and fluffy and light and things of that sort, but I'll definitely annotate in the video when I show you guys the clip and things of that sort. So yeah, so that's just basically it about that. So yeah, so I'm just basically purchasing some sneakers here and there just because I do jump rope and I want my feet to feel comfortable and not feel like I just need to be comfortable while I'm jumping and doing exercises and stuff like that, because we're getting older and you want to make sure that you feel as comfortable as possible, because you don't want to be in pain while you're working out. You don't want to work out anyway, so it's like you're in pain while you're doing it, or you're very uncomfortable while you're doing it. So it's like you want to feel comfortable and stuff like that while you're working out and things of that sort. So yeah, so this is not a review, I'm just letting you guys know. So I'm just doing an unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy my unboxing. There will be future unboxings, so please let me know if you are enjoying this. Is another added thing to my channel. I know I go all over the place, okay, so just bear with me, okay. So just, you see what I'm saying, like don't come for me, okay? I see you, come for me, okay. Don't do it, don't touch me. Hello? Sorry. Oh, I really do like them a lot. They're very nice. They do feel light, and I think they're going to feel so nice on my foot. I hope they fit. I really hope, because you guys know how certain companies, they fit differently, you know what I mean? So it's like, I don't know. But, yeah, so we shall see when I put these on. They look pretty comfortable, so we shall see. All right, you guys, so yeah, but I do like them a lot. I like the color, and you could definitely wear them basically kind of with anything. That's why I like to kind of get like neutral color, try to get some type of like black, blue, and stuff like that, but yeah, so that's basically about that. All right, you guys, I'm done. If you have any questions, comments, watching, peace, bye.